What's up, everybody? Back to my dumb backyard where I'm so dumb I should have hit record earlier when I was working on this project. I planted some cucumbers and I just threw the seeds in the ground. If you saw the end of the other video, my little baby girl helped me. And so now we got to spread them out, and I'm using some scrap stuff that I have laying around to make a nice little trellis. I think that's what it's called. The things that your cucumber plants can climb if they need to. Let's jump into it, showing you some DIY, turning spare stuff into great things for your garden. I should have recorded, I was taking some of the extra pieces off. These are some that we bought for our rose bushes a long time ago, and they just kept kind of breaking and falling apart. So I'm actually going to be putting some extra fence pieces that I have and filling in these areas to get a nice little lean-to that I will attach together for something nice for our cucumbers to grow on. I'll clean it up just a little bit, but I think this is going to work out pretty good. Just tighten it up, make sure it'll support some weight. Let's go ahead and make the second one. Alright, so we're down here at the canoe garden. Yeah. We threw all these seeds in here and they are all doing good. Look at all this stuff. We had a good rain just come through, but look what the wind knocked in. But yeah, we're going to try to space these out kind of across both sides. This one was put up to kind of put a little bit of containment to the nice little sugar baby. It's already starting to sprout out pretty good. I threw the other one in down that way. Hopefully they're spaced out. If that one doesn't take off, it's okay. We've got this one. We're going to be happy with it. This will be the cucumber trellis right across this whole spot. So we're going to jump on that now. I was honestly nervous about doing this part because they say the root system of the cucumbers are like do not disturb signs hanging on them. So I was being very careful to get these lined up in the way that we were going to need for the trellis. So that's why I was just kind of showing you, be careful when you're transplanting or starting from a seedling on some of your plants. Some of them can have good toughness, handle it pretty well. Others, they just need a little bit of that care and sensitivity. I'm not an expert on spacing these, but I was just trying to give it a design that would grow and work with this trellis system. And if you didn't know, we're doing this just as a fun family. And we hope to provide food for ourselves as well as other people. And we get the opportunity to be at home so much that we love having a garden. So I spaced them out a little bit. These are actually the bushing variety cucumbers. So I'm hoping that's enough space. They say to do a little bit more, but I'm hoping they'll go up. And I left this one in the middle. It looks pretty healthy, because I'm kind of okay if they use this also. But now we're going to go ahead and get the trellis put up and see how it looks. There you have it, our little DIY cucumber trellis. Keep you posted on if it works, if it doesn't work, but guess what? It cost me about 20 minutes and spare stuff that I had laying around, and that's the way we do it here in my dumb backyard. We just repurpose the stuff we already have, like this little thing here, some other little pieces of garden fence that I had, and some staples that I had kind of like tucked away. Hey, we're just gonna repurpose stuff, get some food growing, and have fun. That's what we do. I figured I'd show you how everything else is looking. We have our nice yellow peppers. I think we got green peppers there. We got jalapeno and pepperoncinis over here. So yeah, marigolds trying to keep some of the bugs away. The potatoes in the buckets are doing really well. Our basil is taking off. The tomato plants are getting bigger, so I got to figure out how to do the stakes in there, you know, the cages, whatever we're gonna do. But this one's not looking too bad. So stuff is growing. And then over here we got our lettuce coming in. The garlic is sprouting. I don't know when. I should check that. We'll just have to see. Got some other lettuce. We actually have been eating some of this. Hasn't been too bad. My wife was not as big of a fan as I am. But my extra pepper plants I put over here. I didn't want them to go to waste, and I was like, hey, let's just see how they do in this environment. And they are doing pretty good. But yeah, we got to work on some bugs. But then sadly over here, I put in 4 broccoli plants. Yeah, bugs are definitely an issue. Look at these leaves that they have just like chomped down on right here. I don't know if it's gonna make it, but hey, like I said, we're just trying to see what we can grow this year. Some stuff's doing well, some stuff is not so hot. I'm standing in front of the gross pond right now. Yeah, got some turtles hanging out over there on the log. But we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if there's other ideas and stuff that you would want to see. Do you have better DIY ideas? Please comment below. Feel free to share with me your ideas. I'd love to try them. I'd love to see what stuff works. If you could help me with my best solution for taking care of possibly the cucumber beetle. I know nothing about it. I will do my research, but if you have some cool tips and tricks, let me know. It'll definitely help me out. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.